Hey guys, welcome back to another zpoltunboxing unboxing, and today we have the Moondrop Starfield in our unboxing table, and really excited about this one. It has been months since I wanted to check this one out, so of course a full review will come in the zpol channel. This is just your pure unboxing experience. Listen to the sound of the stars. Starfield, you're getting that anime look, typical of any Moondrop, and you're getting custom nano tube diaphragm as well, multi layered, and not a lot of information. Actually says 10 hertz to 36k hertz, so that's nice. What does it says? It says Moondrop, and a blue box, and you have that stars. Nice touch in this one. Alrighty, opening it up, and you're getting the Starfield. And nice touch again. Oh, you're getting the case, which is nice. Let's take a look at the case first. So you have the Moondrop logo, which is cool. Gold trims, nicely done in this one. So inside you are getting the cable and some accessories. Let's take a look at what you get with the cable. So the cable actually is in blue color, which is nice. I do like the shine in this one. So the texture is also pretty good. You have preform ear hooks, but the plastic is thin, so I'm not that big of a fan of that. And you have your 2-pin connector in this one as well, and you're getting also an L plug at the top. So not the most premium, but I do like the look of the blue. It plays well with the overall theme of the IEM. So in this side, you're also getting additional tips. Actually, nice selection of tips. Yeah, in terms of the case, I do like the Tin Audio cases more than this one. The Tin Audio looks more upscale, and you're getting additional stuff at the underside. This one is actually surprising. I think you're getting more filters in this one, which is nice. Or we're not going to be able to test the filters in this unboxing, but it's nice that you have a tool, and you have filters also at the underside. So nice. You may have a customizable design with the Moondrop Starfield. So let's take a look at the IEM itself. All right, so we now have our cable in, and this is what the IEM looks like. Very stylish in this one. So look at that with the custom finish. It looks like a nebula kind of design, so I do like this kind of paint finishes. As you guys can see, there's some shine, and you're getting that kind of pattern. Really nice looking in this one. One of the more picturesque looking IEMs. Definitely a looker for me, and I do like the color. It's really stylish in color. Starfield also in logo, and the build quality is really good. It feels really solid in the hand. So this feels really sturdy and really upscale, and it seems like it's metal in build. It's not cold to the touch, so I can't confirm 100%, but it feels really solid. Very nice build quality in this one. Actually, when I put in the cable as well, it's really stable in the cable also, so this won't fall off. But yes, this is still a 2-pin connector, so you might not want that in this kind of price range, but that's okay for me since I have a lot of 2-pin connectors already here. It does also go inside your ear, and the shape of course is your typical custom IEM kind of shape, but this more in the simpler side of the shape, so this might be easy to use for a lot of people. But let's try to put this in the ear and give you guys my impressions in how this wears. Where I saw the ear is very comfortable on the ear. It's very breathable. It's not that heavy, but you can definitely feel it in the ear. But yeah, it's not that heavy, and it's also breathable on the ear. So I'd say overall really safe shape in this one. It's also pretty stable on the ear, so I like that part. It can definitely walk or run with this one. One of the minor issues that I had here though is I need to kind of move around the IEM to get a good fit. But now I have a good fit in my ear, and does seal well as well. Sealing is just average in this one, not the best sealing that I have heard. So yes, this may play well with a lot of people. It's a very safe kind of design, but let's have a listen to this one and give you guys my initial impressions. So maybe let's try to listen to some Journey. Wow, the vocals are really rich in this one. I do also like the tonality. Soundstage is pretty big, but even if it's still rich sounding, it has still very good separation. And yes, the vocals were really good in this one. So very musical kind of sound, but it's actually not that aggressive, that super aggressive. Let's try another track. So yes, in just the first track, I'm already impressed with the listen in this one. Yeah, I'm liking the tuning in this one. Belief by John Mayer. The bass is definitely present in the mix, but it's not overpowering. The vocal positioning is just really good in this one. Let's try Blue Eyes Blue. Yeah, the tonality is really good in this one. Yeah, and the vocals, really, really nice vocals. And it still has that smoothness to it because it's a dynamic driver. So it adds to the richness of the overall sound. Also nicely extended at the top. Alright, wow. I need to stop listening now. I am already enjoying the listen in this one. Alright, wow. So Moondrop Starfield. This one is, I'm really happy with the overall listen. Might be one of the most impressive initial listens that I had here in the unboxing channel. Of course, this is not yet a full review, but I'm really impressed with the listen in this one. This might easily go to our top 5 for sure. I'm liking everything that I'm hearing from this one so far. Even if I just listen to 3 tracks, I already like the positioning of the vocals. I already like the richness of the vocals and also the richness of the sound. Dynamic driver type of sound still, so the tonality is really nice and really fits nicely on the ear. And the soundstage is pretty big also. So wow, Moondrop, you're luring me to be more of a fan every single IEM that I listen to. The Moondrop Spaceship is one of my favorite in under $20, one of my top recommendations in that price range. But this one, really, really nice in the Moondrop Starfield. Really nice work. Really excited to, of course, compare this to more IEMs. We're gonna compare it to the TNT4. We're gonna compare it to the WGT1. We're also gonna compare it to the KBR Diamonds. So lots of IEMs to compare to, and of course maybe some RTO IEMs as well from Japan. And yes, I'm gonna do some measurements and do a full review of this one in the zpol channel. So yes, that's our unboxing for today. Really fun unboxing. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. And yes, I did release my single already. I'm gonna link it down in the description below. Actually released it, just released it in Bandcamp, and you can buy your flats there. So if you want to support the channel, that's the best place to do it. So yeah, hopefully you can listen to my songs as well. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next zpol unboxing. Goodbye.